Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile Sauder Miscellaneous Storage 3-shelf bookcase in a stunning oiled oak finish, perfect for adding both style and functionality to your space. This bookcase is not just for books. It features a clever flip-down molding that reveals a slide-out keyboard and mouse shelf, complete with metal runners and safety stops for smooth operation. Additionally, it includes a small drawer with a patented T-lock assembly system, ensuring both security and ease of use. Crafted from engineered wood, this piece promises durability and a timeless look that complements any room. With assembled dimensions of 35.28 inches in length, 13.23 inches in width, and 43.78 inches in height, it offers ample storage without overwhelming your space. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. Assembly is required, but the straightforward instructions make it a breeze to set up. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.